Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are tackling a problem that is all too common: getting lockout of your Android phone after too many failed unlock attempts. It is frustrating, but do not worry. In this video, we will guide you through various methods to regain access to your device. So let us get started. Seeing this screen means your device has temporarily locked you out due to multiple incorrect password or PIN attempts. Here's how you can get back in. Method 1. Wait for the lockout timer. The first and simplest method is to wait for the lockout timer to expire. After several failed attempts, most Android devices will display a countdown timer on the screen. This could range from 30 seconds to a few minutes. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Wait for the timer. Allow the timer to run out completely. Once it is finished, you can try entering your password, PIN, or pattern again. Number 2. Recall your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct password or pattern. Avoid making additional failed attempts, as this might extend the lockout period. If you are still unable to access your phone, do not worry. We have more methods to try. Method number 2. Use the Forgot Pattern or Forgot PIN feature. If your Android device is running an older version, you might see a Forgot Pattern or Forgot PIN option after multiple failed attempts. Here's how to use this feature. Number 1. Tap on Forgot Pattern or Forgot PIN. After several unsuccessful attempts, this option should appear on your screen. Number 2. Enter your Google account credentials. You'll be prompted to enter the Google account linked to your device. Input your Gmail address and password. Number 3. Reset your password or pattern. Follow the instructions to reset your password or pattern. Once completed, you should be able to unlock your phone. Note that this method is only available on older Android versions. If you don't see this option, let us move on to the next solution. Method number 3. Use Google's Find My Device. For newer Android phones, Google's Find My Device is a powerful tool. Here's how to use it. Number 1. Visit the Find My Device website. On a computer or another device, go to google.com/android/find. Number 2. Sign in with your Google account. Use the same Google account that is linked to your locked phone. Number 3. Select your locked device. Choose your device from the list of available devices. Number 4. Choose the lock option. Click on Lock and create a new password. Then click Lock again to apply it. Number 5. Unlock your phone. Your phone will update with the new password, allowing you to unlock it. This method works best if your phone is connected to the internet. If it isn't, let us explore another option. Method 4. Perform a factory reset using recovery mode. If other methods haven't worked, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all data on your device but will remove the lock. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Power off your phone. Press and hold the power button until the device turns off. Number 2. Enter recovery mode. Hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously until the recovery mode menu appears. The exact button combination might vary by device. Number 3. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power buttons to select. Use Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Number 4. Confirm and Reboot. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, your phone will reboot and be reset to its original state. Keep in mind, Factory Reset will erase all your data, so use this method only as a last resort. Method 5. Use Samsung's Find My Mobile for Samsung devices only. If you're using a Samsung phone, you have an additional option with Samsung's Find My Mobile. Here's how to use it. 1. Visit the Find My Mobile website. Go to findmymobile.samsung.com and sign in with your Samsung account. Number 2. Select your device. Choose your locked device from the list. Number 3. Click on Unlock. Follow the on-screen instructions to unlock your phone remotely. This is a great option for Samsung users who have registered their device with a Samsung account. So there you have it, several methods to regain access to your Android phone after too many failed unlock attempts. Whether you are using Google tools, your device built-in features, or a factory reset, there is always a way to get back into your device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.